Balikatan 2016 is important for many reasons, but the main reason is for unity between the two militaries in partnership to increase interoperability for the future and for the present right now. Everything initially is not going smoothly, but as the days compress, or not compress, but continue on, our interoperability has become perfect almost. You can look behind us right now and see how beautiful our site is becoming us in a short amount of time. It's because we've been learning how to work together, and that's what it's all about. That's what Balikatan 2016 is all about as far as our engineering portion. The efforts into this exercise has been extensive since starting back in July 2015. And even continue on to initial site surveys and final planning conferences and whatnot, with the AFP and the U.S. military working hand in hand, shoulder to shoulder the entire time. It's taken a lot of communication, a lot of language barriers. For instance, as engineers, my counterpart and I, we know the same word, but it's spoken differently in our language or how we use it here. So a lot of times we'll have to draw out what we mean. No, I mean this, and we're saying the same thing, but we have to use a picture to actually communicate. But after a while, I start to understand him, he starts to understand me, and then so it really the efforts to get here has been extensive, and as far as the communication barrier, but we're here now, we're doing great things. So today, not much has been accomplished, but except a lot of pre-work. So right now we want to put on the gable ends, so we're have to figure out a way to make it flush with the rest of the concrete. So right now they had to take down a little piece of it and weld a couple more pieces of it, of the purlins together to make sure that it protrudes out a little bit more flush with the gable end. So a lot of tedious work. Inside they're patching up the walls with putty, make sure we have nice smooth walls. So that's pretty tedious as well, the inside and outside. In the back they're cleaning the landscaping area and just getting it ready for beautification and make it all look nice and smooth. And electricians, they're routing, mounting lights, mounting fans and light switches and routing the wires to it. So a lot of tedious prep work is going on, and so the plumbers are doing a little bit as well, laying out the floor plan for the toilets and for the sinks, drilling holes in the wall. So you won't see a huge difference today because it's a lot of prep work. But tomorrow, can't wait to see a lot of our finished product. We should start the form work for the walls, and then we can begin tiling the floors and painting the floors and painting the walls. The relationship between the United States and the Philippine members have been outstanding, honestly. Like I said before, with the communication barrier, having to draw things out, having to explain it different, having to Google it and show a picture. Either way, we are making it work, and we're all on the same page on we want this to work, so we're making it happen. We're determined to make it happen, and it's a joint effort, honestly. As far as on our site in general, my First Lieutenant Zuleta and I, we have a really great working relationship. In the morning, we start out by having a group meeting between the AFP and the Air Force, our site, so U.S. Air Force. And we don't separate them, have them all gathered in together. And I'll talk, he'll speak, and then give our senior COs a chance to speak as well. And everyone is on the same page for the day. So his guys respect me, and my guys respect the First Lieutenant Zuleta. So it's been a really, really, really good working relationship, and I'm really happy to be a part of this mission, honestly, for this reason.